If you're into network thinking and second brains, you've definitely heard of Obsidian, Logseq, and Rome. But which one actually fits your brain and which ones are just overhyped? Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. Let's begin with Obsidian. It's a local-first Markdown note app with a plugin-rich ecosystem. You own your data, there's zero lock-in, and its graph view helps you visualize your ideas like a web. If you like tinkering and building your own system from scratch, Obsidian gives you full control. Next up is Logseq, also Markdown-based but built with an outliner-first approach. It supports daily notes, backlinks, and tasks right out of the box. Its strength lies in structure. It's great for connected thinking and task management, especially if you love keyboard-driven workflows and minimal setup. Then there's Rome Research, the original cult favorite for network thought. Rome shines with real backlinks and frictionless writing, but it's cloud-only and locked behind a subscription. If you're deep into idea mapping and don't mind the price, Rome's fluidity is still hard to beat. Choose Obsidian for total control and powerful plugins, Logseq for structured outliner-style productivity, and Rome if you want fast, frictionless connections and don't mind paying for convenience. Each one is good, just depends how your brain likes to think. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.